The old ways of trying to win over a customer are over. You have to work smarter, not harder. Hunter offers 2 modern, free apps that help you customize your services, brand your business, and close sales faster. Use the apps to show customers the benefits of an irrigation system upgrade, make site assessments, market your business, send bids, create easy-to-share parts lists, and so much more. These days, you can't afford to waste time. On site, you're taking measurements, calculating PSI and GPM data, and coming up with a bid, all so you can convert the client in those final few minutes. Not only do you have to suggest system upgrades, you have to sell the homeowner on why having quality products properly installed and maintained is so important, and why they can't say no to your solution. Free, easy-to-use online tools from Hunter and FX Luminaire help you streamline your selling process, improve ordering accuracy, and up your sales game. We've developed these tools to help you provide better service for your customers so you can add more to your bottom line. Hunter's SiteRec app helps you close sales faster, while the online My List tool lets you create materials lists quickly, efficiently, and accurately. Let's run through a few scenarios to see how much better your sales game can be after using these tools. The powerful, one-of-a-kind SiteRec app is completely customizable to your business. With SiteRec, you can add your own branding and logo, and list any additional services that you provide, like lawn care, landscape maintenance, outdoor lighting, hardscaping, and more. The presentation tool shows your customers that you're a modern, tech-savvy company, giving you an advantage over your competition. SiteRec lets you deliver a visually appealing sales presentation with built-in multimedia content and helpful product comparisons. With the handy email feature, a customer can view your presentation even after you leave your site. Use SiteRec during your initial site audit. The app lets you add all your services and recommended products into one interactive checklist, which is generated for each unique customer. You can add, edit, or remove checklist items so that you're presenting just the right content without overwhelming your customer. And then, close the sale. The app gives you and your team a quality, consistent presentation every time, laid out exactly how you want. The app helps keep crew members on task as they go through the checklist, so they know the existing system has been thoroughly reviewed and any opportunities for upgrades have been identified and are being offered. It gives your team the opportunity to follow along, learn how to make a sales pitch, and communicate with customers knowledgeably and confidently, because the information they need stays in front of them. Invest some time to configure SiteRec and train your employees on how you want them to use it. That way, everybody on your crew can effectively sell for you, even during a simple maintenance call. After walking the job site, it's time to deliver your sales presentation. Show your customers why they should choose you with a professional presentation, built-in videos, product comparisons, and persuasive messaging. SiteRec helps you engage the customer and build out the proposal based on products you selected together. You can even customize your presentation with outdoor living, hardscaping, lighting, and more. SiteRec serves as a complete business platform, showcasing your professionalism and range of services quickly and efficiently. Then, right on the spot, you can email the proposal over to the customer and close the sale. Each report is stored in the cloud for easy access, anytime you need it. The proposal that you send to a customer with SiteRec stays in their email inbox. The customer can access it from any internet-connected device, while your competitors' bids are left on a table or even lost. While your competitors are handing out shiny proposal figures and spending time organizing cut sheets on all the products they want to use, you can send a professional presentation that gives you the edge in closing the sale. Your customers don't have to sort through piles of papers and brochures that often end up in the trash, making your solution resource-friendly and sustainable as well. You can also use SiteRec to engage property managers and HOAs. who will be impressed by a modern proposal that they can share with their decision makers. Be sure to highlight water-saving solutions for budget-minded customers, such as a HydroWise irrigation management system, which can provide water savings of 30 to 50% over a traditional system. Walk your customers through the savings, explaining how and why your solution and services will save them time, headaches, and money. After you close the sale with SiteRec, turn to the My List tool to help with the next steps. My List for Hunter and FX Luminaire is an innovative, free tool that simplifies the product ordering process, streamlines communication, and helps you better organize irrigation and lighting system designs. The interactive product builders will help you specify products and accessories for each product and add those products to a running list. You can even add notes and installation details to keep track of systems you've designed and access the list anytime you need them. Instead of staying up late at night working on your materials list, Hunter and FX Luminaire's My List lets you walk the job site and document the exact materials and part numbers needed for that installation. It can then be shared with the distributor to avoid any confusion on exact part numbers, or shared with the customer with or without pricing details. Free, easy-to-use online tools from Hunter and FX Luminaire help you streamline your selling process, improve ordering accuracy, and up your sales game.